Welcome to this video on the fundamental differences between marine and standard land-based electrical systems, designed specifically for marine engineering students. Why can't we use standard land-based systems on a ship? A ship is not a building. The maritime environment presents unique challenges that require specialized engineering solutions. In this video, we will explore 6 key differences: corrosion resistance, grounding systems, voltage and frequency, shock and vibration, safety and explosion risks, and finally, system reliability. Corrosion is our first challenge. Because seawater is highly conductive and corrosive, marine systems use tinned copper conductors, specialized insulation, and waterproof connectors to prevent rapid failure. Unlike land systems that rely on the earth, marine systems use an isolated ground or IT system. This prevents a single fault from making the entire ship's hull electrically live. Ships generate their own power, often at 440 volts and 60 hertz. This higher voltage is specifically chosen to minimize voltage drop over the long cable runs found on large vessels. Mechanical stress is constant at sea. Marine equipment must be shock-rated and installed with flexibility, using specialized mounts to survive the vibration and motion of the ship. Explosion safety is critical. Because ships carry fuel, electrical equipment in hazardous zones must be certified as explosion-proof, such as flame-proof or intrinsically safe, to prevent sparks. Finally, we prioritize redundancy. With no shore power backup, ships rely on automatic emergency generators, bus tie sectionalization, and uninterruptible power supplies to maintain vital safety systems. In summary, these engineering choices reflect the harsh reality of the maritime environment, where standard systems would be neither safe nor reliable. Always remember that at sea, you are the help. Understanding these standards is essential for the safety of the vessel and everyone on board. Thank you for watching.